I'm sorry, you smell like vinegar now.
She liked that.
You did like that. When your parents watch this video back, they'll understand.
Good job, Naomi.
So today, we're going to make heart explosion. Heart bomb. No. Heart attack. Our baking soda. And we're going to take some.
Sorry.
We're going to mix our baking soda with vinegar. Because it's Valentine's Day, we're going to do it in a heart-shaped container. And each of you are going to be able to put your own vinegar. You're going to get to choose if you want food coloring or pink food coloring. So you get to choose between two food coloring. Okay?
It's fizzy. Red or pink?
Then the lighter.
Which one? Hey, look at it, Brookie.
It's fizzy. Fizzed. Red or pink?
What are you looking for? Want to try yourself? No!
Wait.
Go this way! Woo! I'm sorry, you smell like vinegar now.
She liked that.
You did like that. When your parents watch this video back, they'll understand.
Good job, Naomi.
2, 3.
Yay! Woo!
We are all done with science. How do we sign science? Science, I believe. Science?
Or not.
Science.
You don't know
Science?
Stop it. Get some help.
We are all done. That was fun.
Oh my god.
And now it's time for a 3-day weekend. Yay.